Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and this is Case or No Case, where we test just how well you know the law. And here to help us out is my friend, Attorney Jeff Pittman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing well, and I know you got one of those good-looking shirts with you.
I do have the Case or No Case shirt, so I want to remind people to come to the website, come to the Facebook page, or if they don't have access to a computer, like I know some people don't, give us a call. We're happy to send them a T-shirt, but what we really would like if they would send us a photo of them in the T-shirt so that we can put it on Case or No Case.
All right, we'd love to see them. So here's the deal. You've got a couple of scenarios.
I do.
And I'm ready, I think.
So the first one is a two-parter, so listen carefully. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you and your coworker are driving to a job site, and your coworker enters an intersection, and there is a big collision, and you're seriously injured as a result of it. You end up breaking your shoulder, okay, and your arm. And so you are going to make a worker compensation claim because you were hurt on the job, right? So here's the two questions for you.
All right.
So question number one, can you make a claim against the other driver's insurance company even though you're making a worker compensation claim?
So two claims, basically. I would think that would be a no.
You can.
Really?
Yes. So in the situation where there's a third party who bears some responsibility for what happened, you're a passenger, you're not at fault, that driver's insurance company has some liability to you. Okay? So the worker comp is not the exclusive remedy against the other driver. Here's the second part. It's a little trickier.
Okay.
So can you make a claim against your employer's auto insurer for your injuries?
Well, based off of the information you just gave me, I would say that's a yes.
You can.
Okay.
So it's the one exception to the worker comp being the exclusive remedy. If it's an automobile accident, you can still make a claim against the auto insurer. It's important information if you're hurt on the job in a car accident.
That's good information for sure.
You ready?
I'm ready for the next scenario.
All right. So your dad has dementia, and the decision's made that he's going to have to move into an assisted living apartment at a memory care center. All right? So he moves in. He's there for about a week. Now, your dad is otherwise physically well. He's physically fit. He's able to walk around. He's able to feed himself. He's able to get around safely. He just needs some help with activities of daily living and maybe some direction, some cueing by the facility. So one day, he is walking down to the dining room for lunch. Your dad trips, and he falls, and he ends up breaking his wrist. So case or no case against the assisted living facility for his trip and fall and breaking his wrist?
Well, I heard you say he may need help with activities, so I'm thinking maybe there's a case.
Probably not a case in this scenario.
Really?
Yeah, and because since he's only been there for a week, all right, he doesn't have any history of falling. He's physically well. He's able to walk without assistance. So they didn't really have any warning that your dad is probably going to have a fall. So in this scenario, if he just trips and falls on his own, didn't trip on a rug or anything like that and breaks his wrist, there's probably nothing the facility could have done to prevent that fall. So under this scenario, probably not a case.
All right, great information as always, Jeff. Keep in mind that PKSD has the largest nursing home abuse and neglect firm in Wisconsin. If you ever need their help, you should give them a call at 414-333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.